Hi there! This video is all about content-aware scale. We are going to resize things without distorting them. Like you can see in this example, we resize the bitch image, we make it more widthness, but if you remark, we protect the man from being resized. Let's jump to Photoshop to explain. But before we begin, if you don't have the Adobe Photoshop installed in your machine, I place the link in the description below where you can download the last version of Adobe Photoshop for free. And if you have any problem installing the software, just leave me a comment and I will reply to help you. So let's begin. We open the image we are going to work with. We unlock the layer like you can notice here. And we go to select subjects. It is an automatic selection. It makes an automatic selection of the person here. We go to select, save selection. We will call it man, for example. We will save this selection. We go to select, deselect now. And we go to the crop tool. This is the crop tool we will use. We add more width, more empty width in the image as the right and as the left, like you can notice here. We click OK, we go to File, Content Aware Scale, we go to Protect and we choose the man selection we made already and we saved already. And using this option, we resize and we reshape the image. And like you can see, the bitch image in the background is resized and reshaped very perfectly, but the man in the middle of the image was protected by the protect option. For this reason, we make the subject selection as the first time and we save it. And after that, when we use the content aware scale, we protect our selection. And like you can notice, the result is very great and very perfect without distorting the image and its quality. Alright guys, I wish you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to get the tutorials coming up. If you have any issues installing the software or applying today's lesson, just leave me a comment and I will reply. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorials.